Talagang mandated yung mga SK at saka mandated yung council na pagpurso talaga sa leadership training at any leadership capability. So, yun.
Nakalagay ko, wala na yung political hierarchy, pero ang mga uban ng politiko, mga siguro, digit ng
tendency for them to be manipulated.
kaya na may at legal age and
Tapos na, anyway, it's my pleasure to be in this conversation. So, we hope that, in a way, parang, yung power yung mga sa parang, may mga events, organize nito, mag-ilan and conference natin. So, I hope na mga answers. Good ka ba?
Speaking on their experiences on local youth development councils and of course experience in organizing students and youth for government. We're going to discuss about the Asian Development Bank Youth Initiative, but unfortunately because we don't have too much time, let me now call on Mr. Kwan. Sorry, sir, what's your name again? John Paramio. How's that pronounced? Paramio. Okay. Mr. John Paramio. He is the media point person for the Davao region for Senator Bam Aquino. He's come upon this legislative agenda for youth. Maybe now call on Mr. Paramio to speak for the topic.
15 to 30 years old, minimum of 5 members. So, ang iyahang kuan siya, ang awarding kaysa Malacanang, pagkahuman makakuha ang organization o 50,000 pesos cash grant o daghan pa yung utabang ng mga sponsors sa kuan. So pag inyong mga youth org sa school, school-based or community-based, pwede sila mo-apply sa mga kainga kuan nga sa tawagan nga contest. So muna ang participation sa Youth and Senator Bam Aquino. Daghan pa nga lain nga bill na naka-postpone pa sa Senate para kuan. O kung gusto mo kuan sa iyahang mga bills on youth, pwede niyo siya bisitahon sa Facebook. Kuan siya, so na active sa iyang Facebook o sa iyang Twitter o sa mo ang website sa www.bamaquino.com. So nandito tanan para kuan so na visit lang ninyo. Nagano mo. Okay. Discuss na lang.
So excuse me sir, how about the religious sector reserves? Kasi yung mga youth sa religious sector may activities, kasali po ba sa bill?
yes.
Yes.
Like sa youth festival, the youth festival, di ba? May mga activities din yung simbahan na ginagawa. So kasali po.
I think
actually, with the programs of Senator Bam right now with Tayo, pwede na kay backgrounder lang po. Bam Aquino has been active SK siya but before SK. No, hindi pala si Richie na lupta pala ito sa una. Pero anyway, NYC chairman, commissioner din, naging mo siyang chairman at that time during our National Youth Parliament, 5th National Youth Parliament, way back 2000, I think 2002 to 2005. His term ends in 2005. He's been the the NYC chairman and CEO of the National Youth Commission, the premier youth policy making body. So right now, it's been an instrument in the Senate to convey or to promote youth development agenda through 10 accomplished youth organization. Tayo started with the partnership of Senator Kiko Pangilinan before. Then right now, it's with the Senate office of the Senator Bam Aquino, and it's been in the 12th year right now. This year, ongoing 13 this year. So ipa-plug in na lang na 13 tayo this year. So any youth organizations from religious, in school, out of school youth, civic, or approximately 10 to 15 members in a group can join. It's not a formal, doesn't mean a formal organization. No? Basta composed of 10 to 15 members in a group, you can join the program. Or you can join the contest, the search.
So may requirements bang ipapasa?
Yes, may requirements.
You can visit the website of Tayo. It's tayoaward.net. So nandun lahat yung mga requirements. Kahit hindi siya SEC registered, pwede kang sumali as long as
the initiatives are mga initiatives that they have an impact on the youth.
In the youth and the community. In the community. Ano siya kayo? Pag paper screening, then mag-validate diri sa kuan. Saan ni panguntahan mo gitin yung mga recipients. No? Panguntahan ng recipients. So for the next level, inana siya ka reduce ang search. At tuon good kung asa to nga kuan.
Yeah, and it should be youth initiated.
Youth initiated. But of course with the kuan sa guidance with an advisor. And also with that,
i-add ko lang na nakuday para take down notes on your needs and help your in terms of legislation. So kung naamoy kinahanglan in terms of pagpasa legislation sa para hindi mo siyang bill or pa sa Senate, just let us know. So para makatawag naman sa inyo ha.
Sa mga kauban ninyo, mag-diskurso mo, patingan kadali naman po siya. Hindi mo ka siya bugat, di man siya inong nga makabago dun sa kalibutan, makatamang yung kubre ang kaya. Pero, tagaan rin ang additional ganitong venues for makasunod sa gobyerno ng dili ng elected positions ang kuring mga sandan. So, the advantage mo the Local Youth Development Council is that totoo lang ganito, biskan mga interesado lang even if kuwan siya, just casual interest can join. Hindi mo kailangan mag-pinagyan yung power position just to be recognized. Okay, we're going to pass this along. Hopefully you can sign it. Many of the members are already signed. Let's start with you, Mr. John.
Kabalo mo kita, may kinatay na fact na may programa dito sa Kapatanunan sa religious sector, sila lang. Out of school youth, Pag-asa Youth Association, sila lang. In school youth, mga different student activities sa school, kung lang, no? Mark, asa may atong natawag na unity of convergence diri sa mga youth activities. Marag, mag-isod pa ta, no? Mag-isod pa ta o converge. And eventually, the initiative of DepEd to have the synchronized SSG and SPG elections is to have the confederation, no? Confederation of student government organizations in different schools, different high schools and elementary schools. And I don't know yet with the CHED, with the tertiary, kung naano ba confederation. Siguro kung confederation, regions lang, diretso. Wala sa city, wala sa province, no? Wala pa dyan. O wala pa ito natunggan na confederation of youth organizations. Registration of youth organizations. Na-register na ba inyong youth sa youth organization sa city na pwede mo na may mga programs, mga projects, maglisod pa taog doon sa government because mo lagi ako i-reject lang na ang kuan sa city council, dilitang padungan kay mga bata-bata, estudyante pata, mga nana. So, kani siyang initiative of having the local youth development council is to converge every youth organizations, the programs, no? Kung na mo environment nila na peace, so converge into one. So, para isa na lang ang mag-hold, no? Para tanan na pod, program sa isa, program na sa tanan.
Pero most mga good sir kay youth are not aware, are not really aware of the happenings in the good sir.
That's exactly the point. And what is in this venue or nani nga kuan nga pwede tang maka-convey or we can also through this we can have siguro so our initiatives right here nakapihan na we can have on different schools and colleges na to convey and to share youth opportunities. Ang National Youth Commission is just right there.
Yes.
Yeah, and in
But then-
addition, if we have the local youth development council, it could create opportunities for more participation.
Yes.
No?
Yes.
And the problem is
Unawareness.
the youth are very, energetic and they want to participate, but then they do not know where
Yes.
and they don't know when.
When.
So, and these youth survey organizations or whatever agencies have programs, and then there's the gap between the youth and all these agencies that are catering for the youth. Diba? So, in a sense, sometimes the programs does not reach those targets, does not reach those who really want to do it. So maybe if we have the local youth development council, it's parang one-stop shop. If you like, if there are these youth members in the community that wants to,
For the environment.
for the environment, work for the environment, then they could link with the youth development council and they would know which ones they want to participate in. So
Partners.
it's big dream, but I know we can really do it if we are together in this. So that's why when we discussed about it, I was really positive about it because we've been wanting to really use up youth's energy. I have always been a believer in the ability of the youth to make a change. Because I've been working with the youth for so many years now since I graduated from college, and I really the youth have this energy to really create a revolt.